Hey guys, today I'm going to show you something very phenomenal that we have created in Dev C++. So today we are going to create digital watch in C++. Okay, but first of all let me show you that how it works. So input hour according to your wish. I want to press 11. Input minutes, so maybe 12. Input seconds, maybe 4. And our watch will be started 11 hours 12 minutes 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 up to so on. So we are going to create that watch in Dev C++. So first of all let me clear all this stuff that I have created. Okay, so let me delete all this, and here we have to declare some libraries for digital watch. So hash include and everybody know that IO stream that is used for console input output. इसके बाद एक और लाइब्रेरी हमने बनाना है. So here we have to declare another library include windows.h. I am going to create or declare this library for sleep function because basically we are going to create digital watch, and we know that here we have seconds, minutes and hours, and so here we need sleep function, and we know that sleep function is a built-in function that is declared in that library, that is windows.h. Okay, after that we have to create main function. Compiler first of all will ask from main function that what I will do. So basically we have three main things in while creating digital watch, that is hour, minute, second. So first of all let me create declare three variables, and that must be hour, minute, minutes, and also second. Okay, and here we have to declare helping variable that will help while in increment or decrement of our seconds, minutes or hours, and I will tell you about that variable, that helping variable, little a bit after. But first of all here we have to display this message for while during the interface of our watch. So let me copy this part, and here we have to paste this stuff so that our watch interface may looks like awesome. Okay, now I want to input or set our time of our watch from user. So here we have to enter input hour. Okay, and here we have to add end of the line so that we can reach to the new line, and we have to store this r or that r in r variable, and here we have to input minute from user minute. Okay, and end of the line. Okay, and here we have to store it with the help of cn operator in minute variable, that will help in minute. Okay, so now we will also input from user second for our timing of our watch. So input second and end of the line, and also store with the help of cn operator in second variable. Okay, now here we have to run a loop for our time. How we will run that loop, this is important, but I told you that I will tell you about that helping variable. So this variable will help us in loop. So here I will create a while loop, and so we check if helping is equal to 0, it means our time are going to start from 0. And in the body of that loop we have to first of all we have to system clear screen, so that it will clear our screen, our console, and cls. Okay, Okay, so now simply we have to print our time here. So I will write here time is, and we know that we have store r in r variable. And but first of all, let me create a space little bit so that our watch looks and here we have to print r. After that we have to print colon. After that we have to print minute, and we have to print colon so that our time looks like beautiful. And here we have to print second, and finally end of the line. So we have printed our time in that loop that will repeat our time again and again, but it will start with 0, hour, minute, second. Okay, after hour, colon will be printed, and then minute, and then second. And here we have to increment our seconds, because we know that after 60 seconds we have to reset our second, like 1 2 3 up to 59 60, and then it will start from 1 2 3 up to 60, and it will repeat again for our timing of our watch. Okay, but we have to increment that, and also we have to put sleep function, and sleep is a built-in function, and here we have to pass time, that our second must be repeated after 1 second, and we know that 1 second is equal to 1000 nanometer or something, I don't know, but 1 second is equal to 1000. It will repeat our second after second, I mean 1000, and we know that 1 second is equal to 1000. So it is a built-in function that is stored in Windows library. Where is Windows library? Yes, Windows library. Okay, so now we will check three conditions for hour, minute, second. So let's do that. Okay, if we will check that if second greater than 59, if means simply in simple language, if I say that if our second reaches to 59 means 59, after that you have to increment minute, and we all know that if our second reach to 60 or 59, after that our minute is increment. But we have to reset our second so that it can start from 0. So here we have to write second must be equal to 0. Okay, now we have to check condition for minute. So in case of minute, if minute greater than 9 means if our minutes reach to 59 or 60, in that case we have to in the body of that statement. So first of all, let me about so that you can see it very well. So here, if minute greater than 59, it means that we have to increment r. Okay, if it reaches 59 or 60 minute, then we know that our r must be increment, so that if our r is our existed r is 11, and after 59 it must be 12, and our minute must be reset so that they can start it from 0 for another r. And here we have to check condition for r. If r greater than and if you want to start your r from 24, then you can put here 24, but I want to start it from 1 to 12, so I will print here 11, because our last r in 12 is 11, and 11 29 minute and 29 second. In that case our r must be updated, so must be reset. So here we have to write r must be reset and started from 0 means 1, so that it can repeat our circle of timing. And here we have to write to get ch built-in function that will that will wait for commands, but for that we have to write here hash include conio.h library. So let me compile and run and see out what is that missing terminating character and what is that missing terminating character. Okay, so we have to print them all in double quoted, so that's why it's throw me error. Now let me compile and run. Okay, yes, we have to, what is that, what is the error? See out digital watch and line was not declared. Okay, we have to add using namespace. So using namespace std. Now I will compile and run. So input r to input minute 4, input second maybe 13 or 14. So 2 4 our second are started 18 19 20 21 22 23 up to so on. So you can create a digital watch in that way in dev C++. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel Anonymous Knowledge and access my channel playlist C++ projects and also C++ program practical, and here you can also watch C++ tutorial from beginning to advanced, from best to advanced. So I hope that you like this video. If you like then share this video with your friends. So मिलते हैं next part में, तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़.